What's up, IT Ninjas? Today we're going to take a look at enabling the Claude Cowork feature to function and install the prerequisites on your Windows PC. But before we dive in, hit the like and subscribe button. I'm always coming out with new content, fixes, and how-to guides that you're going to want to watch. Just takes a second, it really helps out the channel. Claude Cowork is a feature built into the Claude desktop application that acts as an agent, directly reading local files, creating folders, and carry out multi-step tasks inside the desktop app. Additionally, the Claude Pro subscription is needed to utilize the tool. For the Claude Cowork feature on Windows PCs and laptops, you'll need to enable virtualization and install the Hyper-V Windows feature. To do this, reboot your laptop or PC and enter the BIOS settings. In this example, we're using a Dell workstation, and if you press F2, you'll enter the BIOS. Navigate to the virtualization support and turn on Enable Intel Virtualization Technology to On, and set Enable Intel VT4 Direct I/O to On as well. Then apply changes, save, and reboot. Next, on the OS side, search for Windows features. Scroll down and select Hyper-V, Hyper-V Management Tools, and Hyper-V Platform. You'll need to reboot once more to apply the changes. After the reboot, open Claude and you should see the Cowork tab. If the Cowork tab is still grayed out and the message Cowork requires a newer version, uninstall and reinstall Claude. Lastly, while installing Claude, if you see the message Trusted App Install must be enabled to install Claude, open Settings, System, and Advanced and set Developer Mode to On. The complete uninstall and reinstall should now take place and you should see the Cowork tab. Thanks for watching and hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if this information was helpful getting Claude Cowork configured in the comments. See you in the next video and let's Ninja fix it.